Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. Are you getting the Microsoft login error to many requests? Don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Try different sign-in options. This error usually means Microsoft temporarily blocked your login with password because of too many attempts. So for fixing this issue, try to use another login method such as face, fingerprint, PIN or security key. For that, here click on sign-in options. Then click on the option face, fingerprint, PIN or security key. Then click on use a phone or tablet. On the mobile, open Microsoft Authenticator app and scan this QR code to log into Microsoft account. Now you can see that login is successful. Step 2. Try different networks. Sometimes Microsoft blocks login from shared or suspicious IP addresses. If you're using a Wi-Fi, try switch to mobile data may help to resolve this issue. Here I switch Wi-Fi to mobile data. Now you can see that login is successful. Final step, just refresh this page until you see the login page and you can see that either login is successful or if any password issue. That's it. By following these steps, you can fix the Microsoft login error to many requests. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.